predator specialized for hunting modern humans is almost impossible. We are armed, organized, and connected. Kill one person, and hundreds begin looking for what did it. No predator could survive that pressure for long. But here is the uncomfortable question. What if surviving our response became the pressure that shaped it? Individual animals have hunted humans before. In 1898, 2 lions at Tsavo repeatedly took workers from a railway camp. Chemical analysis of their remains later confirmed that humans had been a significant part of their diet. They had not evolved into a new species. They had learned that people could be prey. And learned behavior can become the first step toward evolutionary change. If a useful strategy helps certain animals survive and reproduce, natural selection can begin favoring inherited traits that support it. Stronger memory, greater restraint, better perception, or a greater ability to learn the behavior from others. The body does not always change first. Sometimes behavior leads, and genes follow. We already know evolution can specialize an animal around human beings. The yellow fever mosquito evolved a preference for human odor over the scent of other animals, and part of that shift has been linked to changes in its sensory biology. It does not merely tolerate us, it is adapted to find us. So the real question is not whether evolution can single humans out, it already has. The question is whether a larger predator could follow the same path. It would probably begin as an ordinary generalist living beside us. A coyote, a feral dog, a large cat, something intelligent, fast-breeding, and comfortable around farms, roads, and cities. At first, it survives on rodents, garbage, livestock, and pets. Then prey disappears. Habitat collapses. Human settlements become the most reliable ecosystem left. One animal takes an isolated person. Its young observe. The behavior spreads. But humans fight back. We place cameras, illuminate pathways, track repeat attacks, and kill anything bold enough to establish a recognizable pattern. So boldness becomes fatal. Size becomes a liability. Aggression becomes a mistake. The survivors are the ones that wait. The ones that attack once and leave. The ones that watch people without triggering fear. The ones that resemble something familiar long enough to be dismissed. Generation after generation, we remove the careless animals, while the cautious ones reproduce. Its most dangerous adaptations would not be larger claws or stronger jaws. They would be impulse control, long memory, recognition of human attention, and the ability to let dozens of opportunities pass because acting too often would reveal that a predator existed. Then, the incidents would begin. A missing pet, a strange shape near a drainage canal, an attack blamed on a known species, a trail camera showing something that looks almost like a dog. Different witnesses describe different animals. Different towns give it different names. There is no body, no clear photograph, and no pattern strong enough to prove. And every time a pattern does appear, we find the animals responsible and kill them, leaving only the descendants of the ones that did not make patterns. That is the trap. We would believe we were eliminating the threat, but every camera, search party, and successful hunt would be giving natural selection new instructions. Do not return here. Do not move that way. Do not look distinctive. And do not let them connect the incidents. The creature would not evolve despite humanity's intelligence. It would evolve through it. We would teach it what witnesses remember, what cameras detect, and what behavior makes us afraid. And by the time we finally realized something had adapted to hunt us, the animals careless enough to reveal themselves would already be gone. Only the successful ones would remain. The ones that had learned the single rule every human predator would need to survive. Never let humans realize they are prey.